Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm about to head down to a pond to go bass fishing. Should be pretty good. So I'll show y'all what I'm gonna be using today there at the pond. We should catch a lot of bass. So yeah. Alright guys, so I have a pink bubblegum pink bubblegum fluke from Zoom. I have that on a baitcaster reel with my Shakespeare Ugly Stick rod. So yeah, let's get down to the pond. Let's try to catch some bass. Guys, I got a fish bumping this worm right now. I'm gonna see if I can't catch him real quick. Let's see. Oh, he's on there. Alright, so now how am I gonna do this? I got a bass on. Alright, I'm gonna hold the thing like this. Rod up like this. Right. Whoa. There we go. Alright, there's a little fish. I caught him on that bubblegum fluke. So yeah guys. This fish, something on his back. Looks like something done tried to grab him, like a bigger bass or something. But yeah guys, there's fish number one of the day. It's getting pretty dark, I ain't been out here for about 15 minutes. So yeah guys, here we go. Oh, there's a fish. Big old fish right there. I know he's not that big. Never mind. Never mind. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next video.